So I'm going to attempt to make granola. I guess pretty easy. People are like, it's really easy. You won't believe that you haven't made it before. This and that. I preheated my oven to 350. And I'm just going to take, these are quick oats. People have said rolled oats are better, but I'm gonna use quick oats because that's what I have. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just gonna go all in. So that's about 7 cups right there. So we'll take all the oatmeal that I had in this bag. Okay. Now I also want to put some chia seeds in here. Okay, so we'll put a little bit. This is just like 1/8 of a cup. We're gonna eyeball it all. There's no rules here. We're just gonna eyeball it all. Why not? And we're gonna put in some whole flax seed. That's good, right? And then we're gonna put some cinnamon in it. I was scared that the cinnamon's gonna just fly out at me. I have a little thing of cinnamon in the cupboard, but I thought I'd just get out the bigger one because it's probably easier to shake in the little one. So I'll just put cinnamon in there. We're gonna put some walnuts as well, so we'll chop some of these up. Did I already say I have my oven preheating to 350? I can't remember if I said that. And we need salt. I can't forget to do salt. I always forget something. That's my ADHD brain where I move on to something. What's in here? We might have to chop more. I don't know. We'll see how many we have in here. I think that's good. I might put some chocolate chips in here after, so. Okay, now it says to put in a neutral oil. So I just have some to start of oil. It's not even a cup. It's probably 3/4 of a cup. So we'll put that in there. And then I did the oil for a reason, because then I could put the honey in the measuring cup and it won't stick as much. So we're gonna put the same amount of honey in. We'll probably need a lot more, I don't know. See, and then the honey just comes right out. So we will start with that. Who doesn't like honey? We're going to get a spatula and we'll mix it all up. See how this goes. We'll coat it all. See if we need anything else in here. So I think this is good and coated. Oh yeah. What did I say I was gonna forget? The salt. We'll put some salt in here. All right, now we need to that is good. Okay. I think that's good. Now we need a baking dish and put it in the oven for about 30 minutes, but watch it so it doesn't burn. So shove that in there. So there, granola done. We'll see how it works. It's been about 15 20 minutes. I think I'm gonna add some of the chocolate chips in. It's probably too early, but we'll add them. I don't think I put enough liquid in there, so maybe the chocolate chips will bind it together more. Chocolate chips on it and then put it back in for a bit. Actually, I don't think my oven cooks even. There. All right, let's check on this again because we put on the chocolate chips. So there you go. I think it's very good. Here is the big jar and one little jar. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.